Hi, I'm Liz, and this is the VASAGLE coat rack. It's solid wood, and already my favorite thing about it, if you've watched any of my videos, is that the instructions on how to assemble it are so good. You guys, it's so easy. So I put this together in probably under 10 minutes. It's all literally like just attach and screw. All of the coat hooks also just have screws. You just screw them in and you get them tightened down. The only thing that I had an issue with was at the top of each section where the screw was sticking out, they had put plastic covers on. You unscrew those. I kept trying to pull them off. They unscrew. So user error there. But as you can see, it is a heavy duty coat rack. One of the questions that I saw down below is, will it hold heavy coats? I definitely think so. So I tried and put 3 of ours on there. They're not winter coats because we live in Texas, but they are heavy for us. And I think this coat rack could handle a lot more than what we have. One of the other questions was, how do the legs attach? So the legs are actually the only part that has screws. There are washers that come with it. You put it right through the leg and screw it in. It comes with the Allen wrench, so you don't need any additional tools. Very cool. The one thing I'll call out that I thought was a little funny is they say that this has 10 hooks for coats. I'm not from the north, so this might just be my ignorance, but there's 3, 6, 9, and they're counting the one on top as the 10th. So just in case you need 10 in addition to that, wanted to call that out. Other than that, super excited about this. It feels incredibly sturdy. And now that we live in a place where there is some sort of winter, having something to throw the coats on when we walk in the door, I'm really excited about it. I hope that helps.